Oh no! It is 8 o'clock! I am late! Ouch! I am late! I am very late!
My meeting! I cannot be late today.
Wake up, Max! Hurry up!
Shirt? Pants? Glasses? Okay, I am ready. Where are my keys? Ah, here they are.
Welcome to the city! Look at all the cars!
This is Sarah. She is waiting for the bus.
It is 8:30. Max is late again.
Sarah! Wait for me! Sarah! I made it. Good morning.
Good morning, Max. You look tired. Are you okay?
I am so sorry. I overslept. And the traffic is terrible.
Yes, it is a traffic jam. Can you say traffic jam?
Traffic jam. There is a huge traffic jam.
That is right. Oh, look, the bus is coming. Oops, careful, Max. Watch your step.
Whew. Finally. I hope we are not late for the meeting.
Max, what do you say when you are late?
I apologize for being late.
Perfect. Remember to be polite.
They arrive at the office. It is a big building.
5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. We have to hurry.
Have your ID card ready, Max.
Huh? It is not here. Oh no! My ID card! I lost it!
Are you sure? Check your bag.
I am checking. It is not in my bag.
Oh, what should I do?
I cannot enter without my ID.
Max, turn around. Look at your back pocket.
My back pocket? Oh. I found it. It was here all the time.
When you lose something, say, I lost my ID card.
I lost my ID card. But I found it.
Let's go to the elevator.
Floor 10, please.
Okay.
Meeting time. Be professional. Welcome to the office. Look at this work. It is a mountain of paper.
Don't worry, Max. I will help you with a plan.
This is impossible. Where do I start? I am so stressed. I have a headache.
Max, you look overwhelmed. Let's make a plan.
First, we make a to-do list. Repeat, to-do list. important things first. Prioritize your work.
Okay. Important things first. I can do this. Type, type, type. Work, work, work.
Sarah, excuse me. Could you help me with this?
Okay.
Thank you. I understand now.
It is time for the meeting. Are you ready to present?
I am a little nervous. Public speaking is scary. The projector is broken! What do I do? The technology is not working.
Use the whiteboard, Max. It is a good solution.
Good idea. I will write it down. As you can see, our sales are going up.
When there is a problem, find a solution. Say, I have a solution. Great job, Max. That was an excellent presentation.
I am glad that is over. I am hungry now.
It is 12 o'clock. It is lunchtime. I am starving. That sandwich looks delicious.
I would like a chicken salad, please.
May I have the big burger and fries, please?
Enjoy your meal, Max.
Bon appétit!
This is so good. I love lunch break. Polite ordering.
Say, I would like. Or, may I have?
I would like a burger. May I have some water?
Oh no, my shirt. I made a mess.
You are so clumsy. Use this napkin.
Back to work. I feel sleepy after that burger.
I need coffee. I am so tired.
Let's take a break. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I would love some coffee. Flick.
How do you take your coffee?
I like it sweet. Very sweet. Wow, that is strong. I am awake now.
Do you want some coffee? Would you like a break?
Yes, please! I have so much energy!
The afternoon passes quickly. It is almost time to go home.
The workday is over. It is time to go home.
My desk is clean. What a productive day.
Good work today, Max. Are you ready to leave?
Yes, I am ready. Thanks for your help today, Sarah.
How do you say goodbye to a colleague? Say, see you tomorrow.
Have a good evening.
Good night, Max.
Good night, Sarah. Here is your taxi. Safe trip home.
Thank you, Max. See you later.
Welcome to Speak Pro English.
Today's topic: problems and solutions. Action.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the like button. Next time on Speak Pro English.
Cooking. Cut. Whoops! I missed the chair. Excuse me.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Goodbye!